DC fandom today released the trailer of The Batman 2021, starring Robert Pattinson and directed by Matt Reeves. So today let's talk about this new reformed look of Gotham's Dark Knight, Gotham's vigilante Batman, played by Robert Pattinson. There have been speculations about Robert Pattinson's choice as the Batman for quite some time now. Peoples on both sides of the spectrum either cancelled out or praised this ballsy move by director Matt Reeves when he announced Robert Pattinson as new Dark Knight for our Gotham City. And just today, Reeves dropped the much awaited teaser trailer of The Batman 2021. First of all, this is not a pint-sized teaser that everyone would expect. But this is a 2.5 minute long teaser showing a dark and incredibly hopeless Gotham City which needs its Dark Knight right now. Gotham City is running rampant with crimes in every corner of the city. Batman is running after the criminals and criminals are also doing the same. This teaser also shows that it is not the mature Batman but the younger Bruce Wayne who is trying to become the Batman, the Dark Knight. There is a clear indication that the Gotham City hasn't yet accepted him as their Dark Knight, and quite frankly some of them are still afraid of him. We can also see some of the key characters like James Jordan, Catwoman and Alfred in this teaser trailer. Jeffrey Wright is playing James Jordan's role. We can see Zoe Kravitz playing Catwoman. We have also seen her in Fantastic Beasts franchise. At the end of the teaser, we can hear Andy Serkis' voice as playing Alfred. We had seen him in the Avengers series. All of these key characters are just starting offs. They are not mature enough as we had read them and saw them in comic books or in Dark Knight Nolan's trilogy. The best thing to focus on this trailer is the villain which is shown in the trailer is Riddler, as from the comic books, and this indicates that it is the time of Penguin's era. The most shocking and baffling part of the teaser is that apart from dark and violent portrayal of Batman, Bruce Wayne isn't playing the playboy version of business tycoon we have seen in older films, older versions of Batman. And about the portrayal of Batman by Robert Pattinson. Robert is a master actor. If you have not seen Lighthouse movie, please watch it. You will understand it. And about the portrayal of Batman, you can see dark circles on his face, the intense look on his face, and most of all, the dialogue delivery. Wow, he has beautifully crafted the role of Batman. From his look, you can see that darkness has really seeped into him. He is becoming the Batman, the Dark Knight which Gotham City needed. The production of Batman has been shut down due to pandemic and corona. That's why the Batman movie doesn't have release date as of yet, but we can see the teaser implicates a 2021 release in theaters. That's a bold move. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Naam Kabir.